Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikee of Malbarosa & Co. And I'm so excited because we are starting a brand new series today. So if you're new here, please do subscribe to get updates on the newest episodes of the series. Okay, so here it is, presenting the first episode of our newest project here in Adelaide. We are styling and decorating a fairly new and beautiful 3-bedroom home located in Green Acres, South Australia. Stay tuned as we share the room-by-room transformation of the Muller Road Home Styling series. We love styling an entry hall. Personally, I feel that it's an amazing way to create a first impression in a home. When you open the front door, instantly you get a hint of the style or the vibe of the people who live there. Our client is a young couple who loves to travel, and they moved here in Adelaide to start a family. Now they wanted their home to feel elegant and cozy, but still on a budget. Our clients already have existing furniture and decor pieces, like this beautiful shoe cabinet from Mikee, some framed family photos, and a few quirky decor items. But the space wasn't fully utilized. It looked cluttered and uninviting. For the design, we'll be doing a modern coastal theme since the existing pieces already leans towards that direction. In the brief, the clients love the color of the sea. So for our color scheme, we already have a neutral base in the walls and floor, so we will be incorporating different shades of blues and greens as accent colors. We are installing a gallery wall to showcase the client's milestones and interests. So we will be highlighting their love for traveling and cute photos of the arrival of their little one. So stay tuned for that in the reveal. To soften up this corner, we place an Alexandra palm and an orchid to create height and to liven up the space. Then we added a metal bird bath bowl we found at Minimax, perfect for the vignette that we are creating. This piece is a trinket box from Spotlight. It's made out of metal and has a nice contrast with the other pieces, and it serves as a hiding place for keys, loose change, or a small purse. This piece is called a Seagull Family on Stand, which we found at Bed Bath & Table. I chose this as a statement piece because I love how it fits our client's style perfectly. For the finishing touches, I complemented this medium pile rug with a furry footstool. Both are existing pieces that the client already have. This house has a very long and narrow hallway, and it felt blank as we walked towards the lounge. So we decided to move this beautiful existing panoramic canvas, which was originally located in the dining area, but it was too big for the wall. Now it adds color and interest in the hallway. How all these elements blend in together and add interest in the overall feel of the space. Now it looks so elegant and welcoming. So I'll be sharing all the links of the products used in this episode in the description box below. Thank you for watching our first episode, and stay tuned for more room styling and decorating videos from this lovely home. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!